Whether we realize it or not, most of us do a lot of things without really thinking and often react to our environment rather than just being intentional about our thoughts and behaviors. For example, we might drive to work, wash dishes, tuck the kids in, or eat a meal without really being aware of what is happening or what we want to happen. To know exactly what is Kundalini meditation, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you want to live your life with a greater awareness and intention, one way to enter this state of heightened attention is to practice meditation. A specific form of a meditation that may be particularly helpful is Kundalini, which focuses on primal energy. Kundalini meditation is a way of channeling your energy and releasing yourself from stress and living on autopilot, which sounds good, right? Let's look back to the history. The exact origin of Kundalini meditation are not known, although its traditions date back to approximately 1000 BCE to 500 BCE. In Sanskrit, Kundalini means coiled snake and references the ancient belief that each person carries divine energy at the base of the spine. This meditation seeks to awaken, release, and harness this energy. Since then, the practice has become a popular way to develop greater body awareness, mindfulness, and stress relief, among the other benefits. Let's look at the purpose of Kundalini meditation. Kundalini meditation is a part of Kundalini Yoga and is meant to move energy through the body. It is based on the concept that energy at the base of the spine, also known as the root chakra, needs to be released through the 7 chakras of the body and then out through the crown chakra above the head. This process of releasing energy from the body has the purpose of creating a system of communication between your mind and body to relieve mental, physical, and spiritual issues. This system of bringing awareness to your body by connecting with your breath is needed to facilitate being present, establishing a new rhythm, and communicating with a higher version of yourself. First of all, I want to make sure that Kundalini meditation is not a set of beliefs or religion. Instead, it's a system of evoking energy inside yourself and developing mind-body awareness. So, the practice should be thought of as a technique as opposed to a belief system that helps people to clear away the clutter of the world and access the inner self. Additionally, rather than providing instant relief, enlightenment, or uncoiling, proponents say that perseverance and consistent practice is needed to achieve optimal benefits. Just like taking a shower each day cleanses your physical body, yogis view Kundalini meditation as a way to cleanse your mind. It's a method to rejuvenate after a stressful day, manage stress in the moment, or counteract tiredness. It also aims to help balance your energy or chakras and calm your mind so that you are acting with purpose rather than just reacting to your thoughts and environment. So do you think there is a possible benefits to Kundalini? Yes, of course. The benefits of learning to practice Kundalini meditation can be summarized as bringing more awareness and attention to your daily life. Especially, this can be seen in several different ways, including aiding concentration and preventing random thoughts from throwing you off balance, breaking your automatic daily routines and bringing you into a state of mindfulness, bringing balance to mind, body and soul, building up your creative energy to tackle projects in your life, creating awareness of the body, enhancing your brain patterns and emotional balance, helping reduce anxiety, helping release stress and find a sense of peace, improving cognitive functioning, improving sleep and sleep-related issues, teaching the proper way to breathe into your diaphragm and expanding lung capacity. In the upcoming video, you will see how to practice Kundalini meditation. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.